This will be the elevator at the JCPenney store. Millcreek Mall, Erie, Pennsylvania. It's been a long time since I've been on this elevator. Last time I was here was like 6 years ago, so let's take this elevator for a ride. ERM buttons, just like all of the penny stores in Ohio. If I'm not mistaken, this thing is a Dover. Here it is. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Very nice elevator. I love the orange cab. Dover door equipment. Let's go up to 2. Let's see the motor. This thing runs exactly like the one at Great Northern. There we go. 88 Wi-Fi. Seelar Company. I think that's the Dover distributor for Erie, if I'm not mistaken. We'll end back upstairs on 2. Oh, the doors don't open all the way, that's fine. There we go. Get one last look at the cab. Not bad. And there's your Dover door equipment. Oh, it's got a Schindler tag in there. There's your button. There it goes. As long as I don't get a copyright claim by Marino.